Hi guys, we are in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are checking into our hotel today. The Embassy is one of my favorite hotels to stay in. I absolutely love it here. It makes me feel like I'm at home, a super comfortable and cozy environment. My daughter is on spring break this week, so I decided to bring her here to hang out this weekend and decided to bring you guys along. But before I get into anything else, let me just show you my room. So I have some exciting news. I will be launching my first e-cookbook this Friday. It's a low-budget raw vegan cookbook to help those out who would like to go raw but don't know what to make or what to buy that fits in your budget. I believe this will help a lot of you who are currently on a juice cleanse and would like to go raw after your cleanse. Right now, I am eating tons of fruit because I am preparing for a post-surgery and medication cleanse on Monday, April 10th. By the time you see this video, I may have already started, but please feel free to jump in at any time. I'll still be here supporting you through it all. We are headed to breakfast to see what they have for us, and then we are coming back to the room to change clothes to go to the aquarium today. So I just want to show you guys what's in my mini fridge. So I decided to bring some things with me, even though it's not a lot. I have some cucumbers over here, some blood oranges, apple. I have some stuffed wraps in here, and I also have a big bowl of fruit. So we are headed out today, so I am going to get a few other things. The sucky part about it is that breakfast sucked. They did not have any fruit, anything that I liked. So we are headed out to eat some good food because breakfast sucked. Okay, so let me just tell y'all what's on the agenda today. So we are going grocery shopping because I didn't come as hard as I usually come as far as my meal prepping goes. I didn't come with any juices or anything of that nature, and that freaking sucks. But yeah, so I need to go grocery shopping. And also, what else do I need to do? Oh, the aquarium, because I'm like a big kid. The last time I've been to the aquarium, I was in the 5th grade, and that has been too long. I'm excited to take my daughter. And also, I need to hit up the mall because I need a little bit of retail therapy, okay? But yeah, so that's all the stuff that we will be doing today. Also, my cousin is in town, so I'm linking up with her. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to be winging it with, you know, coming unprepared as far as like my meals go, because luckily we're in Charlotte, so it's a bigger city, so I have options. So we'll see how it goes. This is the Green Brothers. Let's do this. So these are some of the juices they already have pre-made. I may get some of these so I can take back to the hotel with me and order a fresh juice because we are about to go to the aquarium. I know I keep talking about it, but I'm more excited than my daughter. So I am going to grab a couple of these and leave them in the car because it's freezing and they will stay cold. So I got this, and I'm a little upset because they don't make fresh juice here, which is insane. They don't make fresh juice, which freaking sucks, because what type of place sell smoothies and not fresh freaking juice? We are finally here. Are you ready? Yeah. You ready? Yeah. You are ready. I'm ready.
You asked that if you take photos or videos, just make sure you keep your flash off.
Okay.
Here's a scavenger hunt for the young one. You find all the stamps, you get a little prize at the end. And then whenever you guys are ready, you'll go right through there.
although this is nice, this is not a real aquarium. This is not what I expected. We had fun because my daughter loved it, but it's not what I expected. Say hi, Nemo. Hi, Nemo. Okay, because we call them all Nemo now. These are freaking the cutest. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. We found more Nemos.
Don't be scared.
Doing our wet skiing.
Woo!
Oh, that's cool, baby.
Awesome. Now come to this side.
Whoa!
Come here. Mommy and me.
Ow.
Almost out, almost out. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. So we are done now with the sea life and all of that stuff. Luckily, it was in the mall. So after we got done with the aquarium, we just walked around and did some shopping, which was a one-stop shop because I wanted to go shopping as well, just to kind of explore the different stores here. But now we're headed back to the hotel because Arby wants to change clothes so she can go swimming. And I'm jumping on these juices. I am still very much disappointed because they did not make fresh juice, and that's crazy to me because it's a smoothie and juice kind of bar. So why don't you make fresh juice? Like, I don't understand. So I'm back at the hotel and I have my Green Brothers juice, Cell Recharge, celery and lemon, which I absolutely hate because I hate celery, but my options are slim. For some reason, people don't like to juice cucumbers and I hate it. So my options are slim because I did not come here prepared. I did bring my juicer, but I had so much stuff to bring up here and it's just a lot, you know, bringing up all this stuff, you know, to your room. I just was being lazy and my car is super packed and a lot of the stuff that's in my car I do not need because I didn't come here from my city. I came here from my hometown city. So it was just a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna drink it though because all in all, it's a healthy juice and it's better than what they have here. I will be going downstairs to try out their salad because it is time to eat. And my daughter wanted to go to the pool, so she's next door with her friend in the pool. And I'm waiting for her to be done so we can go and get some food because I'm freaking hungry, okay? I'm starving. So I am going to be drinking all 3 juices that I got. I only got 3 because the prices were ridiculous. 3 of these were $30 freaking dollars. Can you believe it? $30. Like, why? But anyway, let's get into some updates because I want to share some things with you guys. So a lot of people have been asking, okay, so I lied. Not a lot of people, maybe 3 or 4 people asked about my book called The Vegan Fight, which I wrote back in 2019. So that book was like me really just wanting to get all of my thoughts on paper. So it was just about learning so much, you know, as far as the vegan history and also the different types of vegan lifestyles, or I'm sorry, the different types of vegan diets. And I just wanted to share everything I knew about veganism on paper. And that's what I did. So it's not a cookbook or anything like that. It's just basically, you know, me sharing the different types of vegan diets and the benefits of them all, and also, you know, the history of veganism, the owner, the founder, and all of that. And so that's what that book is about. Now I want to share something a little bit more where I'm at right now, and that is sharing raw vegan recipes. So I decided to do a raw vegan recipe, low budget. I just want to share some recipes, you know what I mean? It will be exclusive, so my community will be getting it for free, but for you guys to get it, you have to purchase it. So if you want it, you have to join my community, because with my community, I want to make a lot of things, you know, more exclusive for them, because that's why they join the community. And although the community is free, so if you want it, you can join the community and get it for free. But really, you know, I want to make things more exclusive for them, which is why it will be free for them. But yeah, recipe book. I also provided a 21-day juice cleanse guide, which is extremely helpful. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, you can as well. Like I said, it's exclusive to my community, so you'll have to join to get it. But nevertheless, I do want to let you guys know, which includes you, I will be starting a juice cleanse on April 10th, because when I initially started my 21-day juice cleanse on day 4, I had to stop because my dad passed away, and it was just, I was all over the place, okay? It was not happening. And then shortly after that, I had to get surgery, so I was on all these different medications, steroids, antibiotics, painkillers. It was just a lot, and oh Lord, it was just too much. So now that, you know, all of that is over with, I just want to just cleanse. Like, I just need to cleanse, detox the antibiotics, the steroids, all of that out of my system, and just kind of get back on track, because now I noticed that, and I don't know if it's because my father passed, but now I feel myself like having high anxiety, you know, about every little thing, you know what I mean? Like one day my aunt didn't answer her phone, and she got off of work at 2, and she didn't call me back. I think it was like 7:30, and I still didn't hear from her, and I was staying at her house. So it was just like, where are you? And I had like a little, you know, anxiety attack about it. And I think that's maybe because of my dad, but it was just a lot. Like, I just don't like where I'm at emotionally, and I really want to fix that. And so I feel like this cleanse will help with it, because I feel like the more toxic food you take in, not that I'm taking in anything toxic, because I'm not, but you know, along my journey as far as like healing, and I'm still on that journey, but you know, healing from, you know, my dad passing or whatever, I did have, you know, I fell off track. I'm just gonna say that I fell off track a little bit, but now I'm finally like getting back on track, and just like, you know, focusing on my health again, and not letting that take me under. And so that's where I'm at right now on my journey, and I just want to take you guys with me, and show you guys, you know, how I will be going through the motions. I know I did my 90-day juice cleanse, and I was like literally posting every day, every other day, and so that's something I want to revisit to give you guys something to see. And I will be starting that on April 10th. The only difference between my 90-day juice cleanse and my 21-day juice cleanse is that I will be doing, and let me think of what it's called. I forgot the name of it, but it will be on this screen by the time I edit this video to post. But basically, I will be doing that. I think it's called NAD Plus. That's what it's called, NAD Plus. And so I know it has niacin in it, and it's really supposed to help you on a cellular level, to help your body regenerate cells and clean you on a cellular level. And so I'm still learning a lot about it. So if you guys know anything about NAD Plus, please check it out. Also, I had the nurse speak on it as well, which I will be inserting that clip in this video for you to see, but I will be starting that on April 10th. I'm heading back in town tomorrow, and so I'll be able to kind of get back on track and do my NAD Plus. I'm a little scared about it, because a lot of people said, you know, while you're going through it, it hurts, and the idea of something hurting, I mean, it freaks me out. But they said right after it's over, you feel fine, you feel 100% fine, you have so much energy and all this other stuff. So it's just something I want to try out. I always go to them for my vitamins, because you guys know I am all for IV therapy. So I am comfortable with the company. And I just want to try it out and do that while I'm on my 21-day juice cleanse, and see how that works out. And I want to take you guys on that journey with me and give you insight, because if it's like bomb.com, I want you guys to see it firsthand. I want you to see how I felt day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I want to share it all, and that's what I'm going to do. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But anyway, I am about to go and check on my daughter, because because they've been in the pool for a very long time. So I'm about to check on my daughter and also drink this nasty freaking juice, okay? Celery juice, and chill out.
Okay, so they had happy hour, but you guys know I don't drink. Okay, so baby, we can either take the stairs or we can take the elevators.